Let's take a quick look at how to like a business page as your page. So when you go here to any business page, this one is Disney, you could like it, and that is your personal self that would be liking that page. You can go right here to the three dots, go down to like as your page, and then select the page that you want to like it as. You may be the admin of several. Submit that, and then you are liking this page as your page. Okay, when you engage on a post here, it will initially start as yourself, and then you can click the down arrow to be commenting as your business page. Here, I'll just type something in, and then you can see that my comment is linked as my business page rather than as my personal page. Okay, I hope that helps you.